A very good day to all traders and viewers. My name is Rian. I'm the founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today for the weekly market analysis on euro dollar, we are looking at once again on euro dollar. Market did have a bit of consolidation. Alright. And if we in a downward movement, alright, so that's the first hint that the market is still bearish at this time. For our chart, this was the support. Market came down, retest the previous low price at this candle and have a bit of retracement. Do note that Friday was a holiday, so market movement is a bit lesser based off the 1 hour time frame, although we know that it's well supported. On the 1 hour time frame in one screen size, we can see that the market break and close below the previous low. Alright, so I am very looking into waiting for market to have more confirmation when market open on Monday. So with that, I would like to invite you to join us on this midweek market analysis on Wednesday. Go to our Facebook page www.facebook.com/forex100.org and join us live. And I believe on Wednesday is much clearer. With that, let us head back into our analysis on euro dollar. So on euro dollar, nothing much have changed. It's a downtrend channel over here. Head down to the 4 hour chart, you can see the bullish band have formed up, having the A leg break and close above the downtrend channel, and there was a profit line being broken. So my second target, I have already closed it when this happened at 1.1262. Alright, so right now I am waiting to see how the market react at the support line below and how it retraces. So no trade for me right now on euro dollar. So that's all I have for you today. Remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.